Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore together an exciting and powerful concept that can truly transform your life, the domino effect. You'll discover how simple actions, when set in motion, can trigger a chain of success in your personal development. Stay with me till the end to learn how small steps can lead to incredible changes. Part 1. Understanding the domino effect. The domino effect is like a living illustration of the power of action. Imagine a sequence of perfectly aligned dominoes. When you push the first domino, it knocks over another, which knocks over another, and so on. In the realm of personal development, this means that every small positive action you take can create a series of positive chain reactions across all areas of your life. For example, starting with a simple habit like daily meditation can lead to better stress management, which can then positively influence your relationships and productivity. Part 2. Foundations of the domino effect. Let's delve into the foundations of the domino effect within the context of personal development. Step 1. Identify your goal. First and foremost, take the time to precisely define your goal. Which aspect of your life do you want to improve? Is it your health, career, relationships? This step is crucial as it gives you a clear direction to follow. Step 2. Choose your first action. Once you've defined your goal, focus on a specific small action you can do each day. For instance, if you're aiming for better health, it could be walking for 15 minutes every morning. Step 3. Celebrate victories. Each time you accomplish your daily action, celebrate it. This reinforces the positive association in your mind and bolsters your motivation to continue. Step 4. Integrate new actions. Once your first action is embedded in your routine, add a new positive action. For example, if you've started exercising, incorporate a daily reading habit to nourish your mind. Part 3. The power of consistency. Consistency is key to activating the domino effect in your life. Even though each individual action might seem tiny, one of the beauties of the domino effect is that it generates lasting benefits. These small actions you regularly undertake accumulate, leading to long-term positive transformation. Part 4. Positive reinforcement. Each small positive action you take triggers a process of positive reinforcement in your brain. As you accomplish these actions, your brain releases happiness neurotransmitters like dopamine, leaving you with a sense of satisfaction and achievement. This feeling encourages maintaining consistency and persevering. Part 5. Creating a chain of good habits. Here, we get to the heart of the domino effect. Once your first action is firmly established in your routine, it's time to add a new positive action. For instance, if you began with exercise, consider incorporating a more balanced diet into your routine. Part 6. Long-term effects. The domino effect creates long-term transformation. Every small positive action you take adds up to create profound changes in your life. The small steps you take today become the strong foundation of the person you'll become tomorrow. Part 7. Overcoming obstacles. It's important to recognize that the path won't always be easy. Obstacles are an integral part of the development process. When faced with challenges, consider them as opportunities for learning and growth. The domino effect is a powerful strategy that can help you create positive transformation in your life. Every small step you take, every positive action you undertake, contributes to this chain reaction that leads to incredible changes. Share in the comments the first positive action you're going to implement today to activate your own domino effect. If this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more inspiring content. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and I'll see you next time for even more inspiration and success.